just never ends, does it? Open my eyes now, it's not in vain. Look inside me now, not a thing. What time is it now? Is it still today? I'm not asleep, so I'm not awake. Like my thoughts in a cage, I put my knees on my face. You know that I don't mind, and that's my favorite lie. Doomed to do it all again. What if it's all in vain? With all these hours that I waste, drained myself, ached my feet. A future so far, so far away, but just the same as yesterday. Calm or furious, it's all the same. Even covered in glory and shame, it's all in vain. Like my thoughts in a cage, I put my knees on my face. You know that I don't mind, and that's my
Hey guys, Shade Tree Performance, Charles here. We got Ryan behind the camera. We're going to show you a little bit about what we did this week. We tackled a bunch of stuff on the car, pretty much getting some body work done. We got a lot of wiring done. Pretty much everything's finished up to the point of fixing the front end and stabbing the motor back in. So let's give you a walk around real quick. First, we got the wiring board. I know everybody's been eager to see it. We started fresh on everything. I convinced Ryan to let me add a little bit of weight to it. And he yelled at me every step of the way. So basically, got the Dominator in. We got a leash panel, leash fuse block. Everybody's been calling it a boat fuse block for some reason. I'm not sure why. But we'll clarify that real quick. Solid state's all in. Everything's working like it should. We added some MAD modules in. We basically got two 5 volts and two 12 volts. We got 5 volt for the front and 5 volt for the rear, and then a 5 volt or a 12 volt for the front and a 12 volt for the rear. So basically we remote mounted everything to make sensor wiring easy if in case he ever wants to add anything in.
How much room do we have left?
We had exactly 13 outputs and inputs left in the Dominator. Combined. That was filling everything up with a couple spares to go. I've never filled a full Dominator like that, so it's first for me.
For those wondering how much wire didn't go back in the car,
there's a ton.
There's the pile.
About 5 pounds of wire sitting over there.
Yeah, they just been all shortened up a lot.
Everything's been shortened up, color organized. We did a lot of shielded cable this time, so no more data is missed. We added a few new sensors and stuff like that. I'll let Ryan go over that later on. And pretty much we cleaned it all up. Even added in a remote charger for the Draggy. So
yeah,
new charger ports, new lasers. You know, we did the works on it.
Yeah, we got tire temps, which will be new this time. Trans brake button, for those that know my old trans brake button, this one's a nice one.
Smooth stage, scramble, bump, all the good stuff.
Yeah.
CAN module included.
Yeah, EGTs. Then we got the rear 5 volt and 12 volts. So anytime I want to add any new circuits or any sensors that come out on the market that we want to add to the car, we can just plug them in. And they're already pinned to the ECU up there, so all I gotta do is just turn them on and change it up. And then we've got steering angle sensor this time, another laser sensor in the rear, a new laser sensor in the front, 4 corner shock sensors. I know it's a little funny up here right now because I've got to rebuild all this stuff this week. But she's going together.
Yeah, we did our Tesla conversion. It practically drives itself now. So
yeah. Yeah, we've gone through and tested every circuit that's testable right this second, and everything seems to be good to go. A lot done in a week. So
pretty good work in a week.
all right, thank you, sir.
Until next time.